So you might remember that when I was refurbishing this US model BBC Micro, I had a problem with the sound chip, this TMS 6100, which holds the voice of Kenneth Kendall, decided to fail. I'm not sure whether it failed because the power supply blew up or whether it happened due to static damage when I was refurbing, but something caused it to die and I couldn't get a replacement easily. However, I now have an option. So firstly I'm going to show you what happens before I plug the replacement in, and then I'll put the new thing in and we'll try again. I'll put the microphone up here to the speaker so we can listen in. Screen on. Excuse the wobbly camera work. So that command should say the word Acorn. Well, yeah, no, that command shouldn't do anything because I have to press the U. Right, here we go again. Yeah, that's definitely not Acorn. So, radiofan over at Stardot has built some of these little emulator modules, and these actually do more than the original chip, but my basic requirement is that I get the thing working the way it used to. So I'm going to take that and swap it in for the original and see what happens. Okay, well that's that in place, so let's power on and see what we get. Okay, we will try our command again.
Acorn.
Much better. And we even get blue flashing lights.
Acorn.
Alright, let's try that loop.
18 tis 0 100,000 1 2 23 34 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 Acorn. After again amount and another answer any available B bad.
Okay, very pleased with that. That's fixed the basic problem. In time I will investigate the other features. I know it's supposed to be capable of being reprogrammed to any of the other known ROM contents, but I'm going to look at that at a later date. So that's it for that little update. The BB is now 100% working. So as I was putting the screws back in the lid on this, I remembered that this is a multi PHROM emulator, so it does more than just the original Kenneth Kendall ROM. Let me show you. Right, sorry for that reflection, that's the BBC Micro reflecting back in the screen. So we can call up sound -1, which is what the original British sound system would do, to call up Kenneth Kendall, which sounds like this.
10, 20, 30, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 time plus 1000 minus point on 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, you get the idea. But because this is emulating multiple PHROMs, we can also do the US model. And for that we need sound -16.
0, 4, 8, 12, 21, 5, 9, 100, 2, 6, 10, 5000, 3, 7, 11, P, B, F, J, N, R, V, Z.
Okay, enough of that. And that would only have been possible by design by plugging in an external cartridge, which of course was never designed. In addition to that, we have another PHROM which is a talking clock, and that one comes in as -12. And it sounds like this.
The time is AM, PM, 0 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 40, 50. Good morning, afternoon, evening.
Okay, and I believe there are others that can be added, but I need to reprogram the emulator because those changes have happened since the one I've got was produced. But still, overall, quite impressed with this. Very good. It's as full-featured a speech system as you're ever going to get for a BBC Micro.
That is all for now. See you another time in the Whisky Stop.